All right, so if you would please open up your notebooks to a new and fresh page. Okay? Open up your notebooks to a new and fresh page. We will get back to the lab later, but today we need to do something else.
You don't need a planetarium, just go outside tonight.
You should do a lab and a planetarium.
Right? No, because in my last hour, we have like the seasons, we have tables of 3. I was the only person there that didn't wear glasses. I was like, I'm just own like a volunteer. Right, we'll put on one of those like hour-long videos where it's just the stars going. You can watch the YouTube video. Jordan. That's the point. I'm not thinking of people that are minus 20 or 20 minutes. Don't do 20. Okay, get better. Get 20. Actually, I have 50.
So what we have here is this set up right here. So there's a meter stick, and it's ready to balance. So the whole goal, this is called the Balance Lab. So if you're going to give it a title, call it the Balance Lab. Okay.
I know, right?
If you're currently not writing Balance Lab on the top of a page in your notebook,
You're done.
Almost there.
open to it like a new
Some
friend.
people just take some of
This
Happy
is
belated
it's just a
birthday.
one-day standalone. Let's do this thing. What's that?
One day.
Happy belated birthday.
Gracias.
Well, let's help us. So, how was your birthday? Was it fun?
Beautiful birthday morning.
No, I took the boys to
This sunrise is
You took them to what?
It did.
Soccer.
It was like
play
a normal
soccer? You
day.
Instagram?
Don Pattis 27.
Oh my gosh.
How are you not following
What is happening right now?
Mr. Pattis, are we gonna follow?
Can I
Are we gonna
follow you?
follow for follow?
No, I love you guys, but
I was a celebrity. We legally not follow.
I do not want to. And I love you guys, but
Everyone take a minute. I don't
anyway,
Wait, can I follow your Instagram?
yes, moving right along. Here's the goal.
It is on
Okay.
VPN.
Here's the goal. What I'm going to do is I need to try to get this to balance. So right now, if I take this is on a little string. If I slide this in here and I let it go, you can see it's over here. That's not good. What can I do to get this side to balance?
Make it that way.
Can I slide it out? What happens if I slide it too far? It's unbalanced on this side, right? So is there a way that I can get it to balance?
Yes.
Okay. Takes a steady hand.
Perfect distance.
Okay. So it might take a moment or a couple tries. Okay. And you might not actually ever be able to get it to balance 100%, but as long as you're close, we can estimate a little bit. Okay. How's that look?
It looks good.
Is that good?
Yeah.
It's good enough. Trust me. It's good enough. Okay? Then what you're going to do is, once you have it balanced, I'm going to take one of these things that we were working with yesterday, and it slides on here. Okay? All right, so it's going to slide on here. I've ostensibly increased the mass on this side. If I let this go, is it still going to balance? No. What can I do to get it to balance? Okay. Can I slide it inward?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, too far. Not far enough. All right. Do you think you can get it? You think you think you can get it to balance over here too? Oh, oh no! Oh, unfortunate. So, what you guys are going to do today is you're going to do a lab. You're going to do the balance lab. So, here's the situation. When we go to look at the axes, on the horizontal axis is the independent variable. That's what you changed first. What did I change first? Okay? Yeah, I changed the mass. What did I have to change as a result of changing the mass?
The distance.
Good. What distance do you guys want to use?
5.
Centimeters.
Definitely in centimeters. Where, from where and what am I measuring?
5 centimeters.
What? No.
What are you saying? Huh?
Like what distance?
Trolls?
Distance from what to what?
Oh, from 5 centimeters from the middle. From the middle to the end.
How about the fire blanket? Remember?
Hopefully no.
See? Huh?
Okay? So this seems really good to me. I don't care. I think this makes sense though. So you need to figure out what the mass is and the distance, yeah?
Yep.
Is that cool?
Yeah,
You guys feel good about that?
I do.
Now, a couple things about this that you may want to try here. Okay, one on the opposite side. On the opposite side, there's a ball that's taped down here. Don't move the ball. I'm actually going to come around and move the ball on each of yours. Don't move the ball. Okay, just put some mass on here. One thing that is not obvious, but I want to make sure. The little hanger itself already has a mass of 50 grams. You with me on that?
Yep.
It already has a mass of 50 grams. So make sure you take that into account. It's not how much mass you add on, it's, yeah. Okay.
How was the birthday, Mr. King?
Good. Couple things, okay? Couple things. If you just start with the 50 grams, okay? When we're taking data, one of the things we like to do is double your independent variable, because if you double your independent variable, and there's some sort of like relationship here, if you double this, we can see what happens to your dependent. Same with if you like triple this, quadruple it, okay? And this one you can do 250. We'll get a times 5 on this if you want. You could do even more. You could do like 400, right? Or you could do 500. That would be like a times 10, okay? But you need 5 good data points. So put some mass, make it balanced, take the data. Sound good?
Yes.
You're going to do it in your lab notebooks. You're going to do it in Desmos and on a whiteboard.
Oh, no.
Okay? No, we're going to actually have to present the whiteboards because they're important. All right. Don't do that. Don't. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Set? All right, let's go.
I said. And then what? No, wait. We got a cylinder.
What's up, Skipper?
Skipper? That's a good nickname.
Are you all right?
Yeah, fine.
What's going